Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, February 23rd, 2021. It is Try It Tuesday. Today for Try It Tuesday, you can draw or make something to help lonely people. Sometimes we see people that are lonely, maybe on the playground or around in our neighborhood. So it's always nice to do something to help them feel a little bit less left out. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and the moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we have breakfast pizza, and for lunch, chili Crispito. Tomorrow for breakfast, it's pancake on a stick, and for lunch, chili. Today's birthday is Milani Medina. Happy birthday, Milani. And yesterday, I accidentally left off Coach Becker. So yesterday was Coach Becker's birthday. So you can tell Milani happy birthday today, and you can tell Coach Becker a late happy birthday today as well. A couple of reminders for our teachers and our students. Be sure that you are checking your grades in Schoology and make sure you do not have any missing assignments. For the teachers, the Math Fluency kits are in Miss Spiegelberg's room. You can pick yours up after you have completed your training. Make sure you have updated your PLP with at least one piece of evidence by the end of the week. And next week we are having Read Across America / Dr. Seuss week. So let's celebrate reading. That's pretty exciting. Also, this Friday we have Spirit Day. It's going to be at Skyline Nutrition Spot. And they are going to have a portion of what they sell today. That day is going to be a fundraiser for the school. So go by and get a tea or a shake or some kind of goodie and support Kate Shepherd Elementary. More important dates we have coming up. Starting today through the end of the week, we have ACAP practice in the lab on February 24th. Which will be tomorrow. We have PST during extended PE. February 25th, we have Spring Picture Day. February 26th is the mid-quarter, so any missing assignments need to be completed by this day. February 26th also is the final day to complete your Math Fluency kit training. So teachers, that needs to be done by Friday. Also after that, we have the ACAP testing window, which begins March 15th for the ACAP summative. Our word of the day is column. Okay, we have rows and columns are the ones that go up and down. Kind of like a building out front has columns. We have big brick columns out front. They go up from the roof down to the ground. So columns in our grid right here, it's a vertical arrangement of numbers or information in an array or a table. So just remember the columns go up and down. That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday, Kate Shepherd.